Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. On the ADA chart, we are still tracking this Elliott wave triangle. We all know it now. So we've got the scenario still that ADA has been moving sideways since December 22 with a decrease in volatility. It's getting more and more boring, less and less interesting. So we've got an A wave to the upside here. That was a pretty interesting move. The move down was pretty interesting as well. Then it's getting less and less interesting with a C wave, a D wave, and we could now be in this E wave of the triangle, and one more bear market low might follow. That's the current assumption. At least we have nothing clearly bullish on this chart. Yes, the yellow wave count is bullish, but it would be based on a diagonal. I will not trust it until I see at least a break above 38 cents, and then we'll still see it with skepticism until I see all 5 waves to the upside complete, followed by a 3-wave pullback. But again, to consider that with a little bit more focus, I need to see a break above the 38 cent level. Until then, we focus on our plan, on our roadmap. This roadmap suggests that we are now either still in the D wave of the triangle, or that the E wave is already unfolding. My view at the moment is that there's a good chance the E wave is already unfolding. And you will remember in the last few days, we've been tracking here some movements. So far, it's been working out. So we had a 5-wave move up that we tracked, a leading diagonal in an A wave. We defined a support area for the B wave, price reversed as intended. Then another 5-wave move up we identified. I highlighted up here that there is likely a support area for the wave 2. So 1, 2, yeah, of a potential C wave. If price gets into this region, it should show a reaction. Now price did get into the region, so target reached, but hasn't really shown a significant reaction yet. So we need to see if it's doing that. I'm starting to doubt it, I have to tell you, because if we don't see a reaction straight away, it's often going to fail. So I'll still give it a chance. I want to see how it evolves over the weekend. But if we see a break below 25.5 cents, that would be a first warning that things are going to start to break down more directly. And if that happens, and we then also break below the previous support at 24.5 cents, I think we have to assume that this D wave is still unfolding, okay? Because the D wave never maxed out what it could do. It never maxed it out, even though we had, this strong wick down on the basically at this liquidation event. So anyway, I'm tracking currently still an AB with a potential C wave higher. This ABC structure is the E wave. The E wave is the last wave of the triangle, and that would complete the 4th wave, which would result in a 5th wave down, another bear market low. But first of all, we need to see this C wave complete, which is a 5-wave move, and we already have in place a potential 1-2 setup, but now it would need to rally in a 3rd wave. Target for the 3rd wave, again, first of all, we need to see a bit of a reaction from the support area, but target for the 3rd wave would be round about 29 cents. Again, I highlighted it before. What we're dealing with here, we're dealing with a triangle. So any setup on the long side, be careful, okay? Just because the market hasn't fully made up its mind yet, any move to the upside is not going to be carried by the larger trend. There is no larger trend at the moment to the upside. So you're basically trying to trade against the trend. At least it means that there is a higher likelihood of it failing. And also, if you take a look at this structure, it looks a bit like a triangle. So there are a few possibilities. For example, what could be the case, as I said, the D wave might still be unfolding down there, or this B wave is unfolding as a triangle, which is possible as well. But also here, if this B wave is still unfolding, we shouldn't really break below 24.5 cents anymore. Yeah, because the B wave as a triangle would be, again, an ABCDE pattern: A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave, and then move up. Wouldn't make a great difference, okay? Wouldn't make a great difference. So these are sort of the ideas I have. At the moment, I'm watching if 25.5 cents is holding, and if it can bring price higher in the 3rd wave of the C wave, and then eventually to complete this entire C wave. And the overall target range for the E wave of the triangle, the last wave of the triangle, is between 30 cents and 33.7 cents. This is sort of what we need to be watching for the next few days. Not sure how much is going to happen on the weekend. Probably not too much. That's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.